Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu sasendoda lesogogo bathini bathi mavula kuvela emzini amadoda udokotela ingane zakwethu namhlanje sikhuluma about the danger of sleeping around, whether you have a calling or you don't have a calling, but sleeping around is dangerous. Have you realized you go to this traditional healer, they say to you, fanele ugezwe, go to that traditional healer, but fanele ugezwe, go to that mthandazi athi kuwe fanele ugezwe, abanye bathi fanele ugezwe ngobisi, abanye fanele bathi ugezwe ngobisi no paraffin, izinto fanele people that do things different, being directed by those that they are representing them in the world physically. And then you end up being irritated and say, hey gogo, hey, mina sengikhathele, uyakulona together. But the question is, who do you sleep with? A person that you sleep with and what is happening in your life forms one equation. The person or people that you sleep with and what is happening in your life forms one equation. Coco, what do you mean? It's like this say that says, show me your friends, I will tell you who you are. But in terms of a relationship, it says, tell me the number of your sexual partners, I will tell you who you are. How's that? Tell me the number of your sexual partners and I will tell you who you are. I will tell you what state of life you are in at this moment. Koko, I'm not progressing. Koko, I don't know what to do. Koko, I'm sad and everything. Koko, I end up having 2 boyfriends because the other one pays for my car, the other one pays for my accommodation. Koko, I end up having 5 girlfriends because the other one does this, other one does this, other one does this. Koko, what must I do? Really? You have so much people that you exchange your saliva with, that you exchange your sweat with, that you sleep with them, others you don't even sleep with the condom. Because you know, when it comes to exchanging of bad spirits, condom, it will never help you. Condom will never help you. Forget it, my brother, forget it, my sister. You will never get help via a condom. Why, Gogo? Because your whole body is dishing out all the bad spirit and receiving all the bad spirit, your entire body. So it doesn't matter. So it is up to you, as an individual to make a choice, to make a decision about your life. Who do you sleep with? What do you do at least after sleeping with that person? Actually, it doesn't matter. The question is, who do you sleep with? You hear people say, hey, Gogo, mina ngisazi, you know, my girlfriends, I trust them. I've got 3 girlfriends and I know they're only dating me and everything. Let's say it's true. Your girlfriends, they're only dating you. But before they dated you, they were dating other people. They are coming with spirits of those people to you. Have you dated a person because of you thought she's a good person, you thought she's good-hearted person, you thought she's smart, you thought she's matured and everything, but as soon as you dated them, then you realize what they are a disaster. They are monsters. Have you ever been into that? Then that disaster, you can see it physically and you can hear about it, you can see it, and other people that start talking about it and everything. But then, guess what? Let's go deeper. There's this disaster that you are not realizing as yet. That's when you kissed that person. That's when you slept with that person. That's when you exchange your sweat with that person. And guess what? That thing alone, it might sit down somewhere in your body and start acting in 3 years. So you have X, A, B, C, D. You are with D now. But the problems that now you are facing, they are not problems that are from D. D was born after 4 years. You are now dealing with bad spirits that came with A. Why? Because awukwazi ukuzibamba. You are longing for something. You wanted the one with a six-pack, then you complain he doesn't have money. You wanted the one with beard, and then you complain he doesn't brush his teeth. You always have a story who is your ideal man? Who is your ideal woman? Uthanda umapakisha, uthanda njena. Why? You don't know yourself. You don't know what you want in life. Then you blame traditional healers uthi inyanga isebenzi. Usibani bani udla imali yami. Usibani bani ngamnika imali wanginika isigubhu asisebenzi. Usibani bani. That's why when you come to me and when you start opening your mouth and say yazi ke ngayo usibani bani umuntu wakho ungisebenzelanga ngiyaxosha. You are wasting my time because you are going to go to somebody else and talk about me to them. I want you to deal with me. I don't care who you went to, whether it worked or it didn't work. Actually, if it worked, I'll tell you me. When we are usibani we are when it is what yes. Ngithi waphi lo muntu omusha ngithi hambe umvume. Awuna 1000 rand lapha tayi ngamkhokhela ngithi akudlule kuye nje ngenina umnika 1000 rand njena utshontshe isibusiso umnika nje 1000 rand uthe yazi ngeke ngahamba ngayohlola thuwa lento wangenzela yona wayenzisisa now drink you'll see what is happening. That is who I am. But when instead of holding yourself, focusing in what you are doing, by all means what you do, you sleep around. All you know is to sleep around. Whenever you're being known, those are this. You know, you've got that boyfriend and that boyfriend. I mean, I've heard this other woman long time in the taxi, and they were talking, and the other one said, "Hi, what is nice about cheating, whether you are a woman or you are a man? What is nice about cheating? Why is it cheating, or rather, when is cheating became a qualification? Why do you pride yourself by going uyolanda ichithwa amathunzi amnyama? You find yourself ukuthiwa yazi wena uloyiwe ulokhuzana umfowenu ozwana naye. Then you say to the traditional, but I don't have a brother, I have a sister. Do you know what traditional healer was seeing? Was seeing lo muntu lona okuwena oloyo yi-brother yakhe. We'll talk about that. The different ways of us as traditional healers in terms of how do we interpret when you come for consultation. I'll explain that in another video. Here we are talking about sleeping around can close your luck. Gotcha. Without a person coming to you and utakuloye and everything. By just sleeping around, you are inviting bad spirits into your life. You are inviting evil spirits into your life. Out of 100%, I will say it's only 2% whereby you can say, wow, you know what, ever since I've started dating this person, my life has changed. It's 2%. So are you going to risk your life because you are looking for a stake in this 2% that I'm talking about? Then you're stupid. So all I'm saying, we need to hold ourselves. We need to make sure what we are doing is something that we can be proud of tomorrow. It's something that we won't regret tomorrow. Sometimes you find yourself going to a traditional healer, they give you good stuff, you work on your good stuff, you don't sleep around and everything, you're focusing on everything. But your partner sleeps around. The same partner that is complaining ukuthi la izinto zami kahle and everything, you are trying when as a husband. Let me give an example about a husband. You are trying your level best as a husband, you do everything, then you tell your partner, mama ngiyacela sana sana, ngicela ke siphumule la, ngizocela ukusebenzisa ikamera lengane okwamanje ingane izizolala nawe. I just want to focus in this thing. Wena usuya papa ungibulalisa indlala. Hayi ndoda yami ngibulalisa indlala njena soloke eqalile kwenza lento eyenzayo ngibulawa indlala ini mina ngiyahamba ngiyositholela umuntu. Hawu inyanga yonke njena ngingaphiwa and everything nxa uthi umuntu uku-treatment, then you spoil everything that was going to benefit you at the end of the day. Umuza umuntu ekhuluma awusiso ohloniphekile awumakoti ehloniphekile athi mina ngiyayisola ngokuganwa indoda ezongitshela ukuthi ilokhuzana iyesontweni ngosuku oluthize njalo enyangeni ngolesihlanu njalo indoda izongitshela ukuthi sengene isabatha manje in. Why? Because le ndoda inqaka ingilosi yesabatha, isabatha eliyosiza wena ngakusasa. Is not isabatha le ndoda, isabatha eliyosiza nawe ngakusasa. Wena uthini? No, I can't do this. Uhambe uyocheat. Your wife says, baba ngisaphuma ngisaku 14. Wena uthi njalo mina ngomhla ka14 kula ngimfuna khona, yena umtshotho saku 14. Unkosikazi uyohlala namanye amakhosikazi bafundisane bakhulisane, uzobuya ubenefit wena njengomkhwenyane lana. Wena no, you cannot stand that. Uyahamba no Jezebel. Uyozani uyongcolisa lengilosi lena ahambile wayilanda, uyongcolisa lesi similo lesi unkosikazi ehambile wawustanda, bahlangene namanye amakhosikazi akaye epatini in the name of what? Satisfying your feelings, satisfying your desire, ilukuluku lakho lani locansi. Then you forget about what? About your family. Then you forget about your dreams. Then you forget about anything that you want to build. Have you ever noticed most of the businesses, why they fall down? Most of the businesses, not all, most of the businesses. Sex. You're dating this one, you're dating that one, you're dating that one, you're dating that one. At the end of the day, what? Boom. All these things are with you. Customers are no longer coming because of your girlfriend. She's working here as a receptionist. She's now starting to fight with your clients, your female clients, because of every female client that is looking for you. What happens to the business? You fail. It's month end. You want to tell your staff that you can't afford to pay their full salaries and everything. You can't on this particular one because of ulala naye uzokudemand ufuna imali la. Salwa sendo to gogo bathini mbatha udokotela mavula kuvula emzini emadoda uLocksmith uAuntie Usha ngani zakuthi ngiyatholakala ku 0357995703 0355775703. ngani zakwethu, please don't deposit money or listen to anyone who pretends to be gogo. You don't pay a cent to make a booking. You don't pay a cent just for you to come and see me. People have been paying monies and everything in the name of Gogo Batini Mbata. I don't work like that. Anilambeli kumuntu. Let's continue doing these educational videos. Please subscribe and share this video as much as you can. Remember, tell me the number of sexual partners you have. I will tell you who you are and what stage of life you are in. Salwa sendota umavula kuvala emzini emadoda. Thokoza.